Hi, I'm Derek. So today I want to present my weekly assignment 1 and assignment 2 from BRL 3134 Technology Quality Management. So for the assignment 1 is my WBL company profile. So my company is RSI Automation Sedia Berhad. So RSI Automation is a Malaysian industrial automation company specializing in robotic automations, machine vision system, smart manufacturing solution, and the Industry 4.0 integrations. So RSI company was incorporated on 7 December 2018, and our headquarters is at Puchong, Selangor, Malaysia. So, RSI Automation is a specially integrator at the forefront of Malaysia industrial transformations, serving as a official KUKA system partner, Germany, and collaborating with Cobot, China for advanced robotic solutions. So, our company cooperates as a public company in the industrial automation sector. So here's our product or the service. RSI Automation provide cutting edge robotic solution designed to transform industrial process across a wide range applications. So our company does not merely supply the hardware, but design the AIoT ready robotic ecosystem that bridge the gap between the traditional metalworks and modern smart manufacturing. So our core products and the service includes first is the robotic automation. So is for machine tending, welding, parallelizing, assembly, and the quality control. So at the welding, we got MIG, TIG, and the laser welding. So the second is KUKA robotic solutions. So RSI Automation as an official KUKA system partner, we also deliver the high performance automation solution, including the Cybertech laser welding, Orbitus sending automation, and the smart sim tracking system. So for the Cobot, we advanced the laser and TNG welding automation with a compact design, high speed, and versatility for the medium to high volume manufacture. So the next is the machine vision and the inspections. So we vision guide the robots for identification, tracking, and the quality control, and vision inspection system for the automated defect detection and dimensional verification. So the next is the smart manufacturing solutions. So we call the intelligence for the real-time production monitoring, AIoT dashboard, and the Industrial 4.0 integration. So our surface finishings is robotic polishing, grinding, deburring, and the finish solution. So the last is the RSI link and the IoT system. So the web-based monitoring providing the real-time insight into the OEE, component statistics, and shift data and production state timelines. So our company also offer the collaborative the robot cobot for flexible handling and large scale system for heavy duty application. So client also can visit the technical center in Puchong for hands-on demonstration or send the part for the test welding. So our RSI automation vision is to be the one of the top 10 industrial robot system integration in the region. So our mission is the first is to provide hassle-free one-stop customized robot automation solution that can help other company increase their productivity and deliver consistent product quality. And the second is to employ the quality assurance in pursuit of service excellence. And the third is to collaborate with other companies that focus heavy on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. So the next is to build develop engineering expert pools to fit rapidly growing market trends and demand. So lastly, our mission is to focus the regional partnership to provide the fast service and scale support. So core philosophy is make robotic system easy to use. So our company is committed to being more than just a supplier. So we are trusted robotic solution partner dedicated to helping the business unlock the full potential automation. So here is for the part for assignment weekly assignment 2. So is to show the organization chart of the company. So the first is depart objective and functions management. So our objective is to provide the strategy direction, ensure business growth, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement while maintaining the high standard of quality and safety. So here's our functions. The first is develop company business strategies, and second is allocate manpower and project resource. The third is review project progress and the company performance. And number 4 is ensure compliance with ISO quality management requirements. And the last will be monitor the customer satisfaction and company objective. So for engineering departments, the first is mechanical design. So to design a mechanical system and automation equipment that meet the customer specifications. So for the first is design the machine structures using the AutoCAD software. And the second is prepare the fabrication drawings. Third is select the mechanical components. And last, we improve the machine efficiency and reliability. So the next is the second is the electrical and control engineering. So to design electrical system that operate industry automation equipment safely and efficiently. So the first is design the electrical panels, and second is prepare wiring diagrams, and the third is select the electrical component, and the last is ensure the compliances with electrical safety standard. So the next is the software, PLC, and the robot programming. So to develop the reliable automation software for industry, machine, and the robotic system. So first is PLC programming, and second is HMI development, and the third is industrial robot programming. Number 4 is vision system integration, and 5 is Modbus and industrial communication setup, and the last is system commissioning and debug. So the next is production department. So to manufacture and assembly automation equipment according to engineer specification while ensuring the productivity and safety. So the first step will be the mechanical assembly. Next is the electrical wiring. The third is the robot installation, and number 4 is system integration, and last is the factory acceptance test, FAT preparation. So the next is the QA and QC. QA is the quality assurance, and the QC is quality control. So to ensure every machine products by RSI Automation meets the customer requirements, company standard, and the applicable quality management system. So for the first is we income the material inspection. Next is the in-process inspections. The third is the final machine inspection. 4 is the documentation control. 5 is the calibration management. 6 is the intentional quality audit, and the last is continuous improvement activity. So last is the service and maintenance department. To provide the technical support, preventive maintenance, and troubleshooting service for customer. So first, machine installation. Second is preventive maintenance, and number 3 is corrective maintenance, and next is the robot troubleshooting, and the next is PLC troubleshoot. Next is customer technical support, and the last will be spare part replacement. So here is our part overseeing quality management. So the quality assurance and quality control, QA and the QC department is responsible for overseeing the quality management system. QMS is our RSI automation. So the department work closely with engineer, production, purchasing, and service teams to ensure every automation system satisfies customer requirements before deliver. So incoming quality control IQC, the quality assurance and the quality control team inspect the purchase material and components such as a sensor, PLC, servo motors, pneumatic components, electrical parts, and the mechanical hardware before they enter the production. And non-conforming the material are rejected or returned to the suppliers. So the in-process quality control IPQC is during the machine assembly, inspector monitor fabrication quality, electrical wiring robot installation, PLC integration, and the mechanical alignment. This to help the identify defects early and minimize rework. So the next is outgoing the quality control or QC. So before delivery, every automation system undergoes comprehensive testing, including first is mechanical inspection, second electrical safety testing, the third is a PLC functionality testing, and number four is robot motion testing, and number five is the sensor verification, and six is the HMI operation testing, and lastly will be the factory acceptance test, FAT. So only the machine that satisfy customer specification are approved for the shipment. So here got for the example quality control checklist table. So for the first robot, so we will check at the program and make sure is in the situation robot home before running the whole program. And the second is the material. Make sure that we will check got the high, low, or other issue at the materials. And the power source, we can check before monitor running is at the DN or DF. So for the welding torch, we can make sure the torch condition is clean and no sputter. And before monitor, we can using the program torch cleaning or manual cleaning. So for the jig, before monitor, we can make sure the product material is clamped with no offset or losing. So welding wire, make sure is the correction size of even is finished or empty. So the next is the laser sensor. So make sure the laser sensor lens are not covered with the dirt. So then last will be the contacting torch. So we can replace worn out contacting. So the document control QA QC maintains. For the first is standard operating produce a SOP procedure. uh, SOP and inspection record, test report, calibration record, non-conformance report, and corrective action report, and the last is quality manuals. So the proper documents control ensure the traceability and compliance with the IOS 9001 requirement. So corrective and preventative action CAPA, whenever defect customer complaints actual, the QA QC department perform root cause analysis and implement corrective and preventative action CAPA to eliminate recurring issue and improve overall productive quality. So the last is the evidence to attach. So for the evidence section, you can include the for example company organization chart, department layout, photo of the production floor, robot programming workstation, QA inspection checklist, factual acceptance test, FAT report, your industrial logbooks signed by the supervisor. So this version is tailored specifically for our company RSI and aligns with the work we previously described on industrial robot, PLC programming, mobile communication and automation system integration, making it suitable for our WBR report. So that's all for my present. Thank you.